Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morell. I'm back with our last video using Meet the 11-year-old who invented a healthy lollipop. We're going to focus on the sequence of events that we talked about before we started reading last time. Let's look back. Last time we talked about how. How did Alina make Lollipops? What was her discovery process? Today we're going to use the text and our sequence of events words to answer this question. How did Alina make Lollipops? We know Alina wanted to make a healthy lollipop. Let's look back in the text to see what she did first. Sorry, here we go. So what did Alina do first to make Lollipops? In the text I see it says first, the sequence of events words are even here in the text. First, we had to learn some new things. Who is we? It's Alina. And who is helping her? Oh, her dad, right. So Alina and Dad, what did they do? We did research on candy and teeth. How did they research? We talked to dentists. Okay, so I can use that in my writing. We talked to dentists. They told us that cavities are a big problem for kids. They explained why cavities happen. If you have paper and a pencil at home, you can write this too. If you're on your computer, you can type this. So first, Alina and her dad talked. Who did they talk to? Talked to dentists. Why? Why did they talk to dentists? Alina and her dad talked to dentists to learn about what? What did they want to learn about? Right, they wanted to learn about teeth and cavities. Okay, next, what did they do next? Let's go back to the text. Wow, there's another sequence word in here. Then. We are using next in our writing, but next and then are the same. You can use them in the same way. Then we talked to food scientists. We learned how to make hard candies. Okay, so next, they, meaning Alina and her dad, they talked to, who did they talk to? To scientists, right, to food scientists. Why? What did they want to learn from the food scientists? Next, they talked to food scientists to learn how to make candy. Right, good. Okay, then let's see what happened next. we knew we wanted to make lollipops with 2 special ingredients. These ingredients keep teeth clean. We tried making lollipops at home. It did not work. We made a huge mess. Then we found a factory that could make the lollipops. So they talked to dentists to learn about teeth and cavities. They talked to food scientists to learn how to make candy. Where did they try to make the lollipops? So I could say, then they made lollipops at home. But what was the problem? But made a huge mess. So what did they do instead? Right. So they went to a factory to make the lollipops. They went to a factory. I remember that word from our Civil War unit. The North had factories. They went to a factory to make the lollipops. Last, read this part to yourself. My friends all tasted the lollipops. They told me what they thought. Okay? So last, Alina's friends, what? Alina's friends ate the lollipops, and what did her friends do? What did Alina ask her friends? So last, Alina's friends ate the lollipops and told Alina if they liked the candy or not. Okay, so let's read again together what we wrote. Remember, the question was, how did Alina make lollipops? What was her discovery process? Alina wanted to make a healthy lollipop. Read this all with me, please. First, Alina and her dad talked to dentists to learn about teeth and cavities. Next, they talked to food scientists to learn how to make candy. Then they made lollipops at home, but made a huge mess. So they went to a factory to make the lollipops. Last, Alina's friends ate the lollipops and told Alina if they liked the candy or not. So she got advice from her friends. Okay, good job with that. So you can use these sequence words, first, next, then, last, anytime that you need to show the order of events. I have one more question for you about this article. Let's look at one more thing. So we know that invent means to make something useful for the first time. Here's a new word, innovate. Say innovate. Innovate means to do or make something a new way. So here is a candle. That's light for the first time. Now here's a light bulb. This is the first light bulb. Here's a new light bulb that uses less power. Here's another new light bulb. So this first light bulb is the invention. Then here and here are innovations. Invent, innovate. Did Alina invent or innovate when she made Lollipops? Did Alina make something for the first time, or did she make something in a new way? I want you to think and answer the question by saying Alina invented or Alina innovated when she made Lollipops because. Think and say it out loud. So I think Alina innovated when she made Lollipops because lollipops were already invented, but she made them sugar-free and healthy. So I think Alina innovated. What do you think? In this unit, we're going to talk more about the difference between invent and innovate. We'll come back to those words again. Good job today. Remember, anytime at home, you can always write with me, read with me, and talk with me. Good job. I hope that you stay safe, keep reading books for fun at home, and I miss you. Bye. See you soon.